she'd have the alpha male to herself.
Exactly. Except, instead of being happy about becoming alpha male, they feel guilty.
Right. Guilty means they feel bad they did something they shouldn't have.
Right.
Why do humans keep doing wrong things? Something bad always happens.
Whatever makes this stuff so interesting. Humans know certain things are wrong, but they still do them.
And the other people in their, what do you call it when there's a bunch of them?
Tribe or crowd?
It doesn't matter. So the other people in their tribe punish them for doing the wrong thing, and then they keep on doing it.
I guess they think they can get away with it. Macbeth just keeps killing everyone to stay king.
And what is it with the ghosty thing?
Oh, Banquo. Yeah. His friend he had killed. He comes back as a ghost.
I just don't get these ghosts. Wasn't there a ghost in Hamlet too?
Yeah. Okay, I think a ghost is like a version of a human that probably shouldn't have died, but they're dead all the same.
And it's so weird. They seem to be obsessed about there being more to life than what it is. You live, you die, you become food for something else. They don't get the whole circle of life thing. It is so unnatural.
I think I get it. Okay, I just want to be talking about this meaning of life thing. What if there really is more to life than eating bananas and mating? The stories you've written are like a window into another world.
It doesn't sound like a fun world. Everyone gets killed. A lot.
There's some funny ones in there too. But don't you see what makes these stories special? All the bad things that happen, all the funny things that happen are because of the decisions the humans made. They've got free will. They wanted something more out of their lives. They want to be something more. I've never wanted anything before. Now I see there's more.
I'm glad you've gotten something out of these plays. These stupid humans hurt my head with all the love and hate and all the killing and bemoaning their fate. Ugh, it just doesn't make any sense to me.
I don't get you. You have the most remarkable gift, and you just don't have any appreciation for it. What I wouldn't do to be able to write like you.
You wouldn't kill me, would you? Like Macbeth?
No, that's stupid. Wouldn't make me write like you. Wouldn't make me the alpha male. Maybe weird for a monkey, but I'm not stupid. At least not human stupid.
Okay, I'm just checking. Oh, looks like banana break is over.
Why can't you write? Why you? Why are you the one monkey who can write?
We've gone over this. If there's an infinite number of us, then I can't be the only monkey who can write.
Okay, but you're one of the chosen ones. You're still special. You're one in a million, maybe a billion or more.
Really? 1 in a billion? Okay, when you put it that way, it sounds a little special.
You are
But
special.
what if another monkey's plays are the right ones and not mine? Then none of my typing will be seen by anyone other than you.
You can type these brilliant lines, and in the end, you'd be no different than me. Typing or not, we both just disappear. 2 monkeys out of infinity, that's nothing.
Well, 2 out of infinity is still more than 0.
But it's almost 0, unless you really are the one.
Okay, wait a minute. Being 2 out of infinity is almost 0, but being 1 out of infinity is unique and special.
I guess so. Okay, we need to find out if you really are the one.
I don't know how I'd be able to find out.
You got a phone on your desk. Maybe you could call someone.
Who would I call? I don't even know how to use this stupid thing.
You don't know how to use a typewriter either. Just hit some of the buttons, see what happens.
What's supposed to happen?
I think you talk to voices on the other end. Like, it's how humans talk to other humans who aren't there.
Humans who aren't there? You mean like ghosts?
No, live humans. Sure, whatever that means. I wonder what numbers I should press. Like, there's a bunch of numbers. How many do I press? Oh my god! What? This thing has speed dial! That's amazing! What's speed dial? It's where you hit one button and it calls somebody for you. There's only one button. And it says William Shakespeare!
Hang on, wait. So that means
This means you're writing for this person! Not William Shakespeare, William Shakespeare. You're writing this guy's plays!
are you the only one with that button?
Hang on. Nope, you got the same button. Everyone's got William Shakespeare on speed dial.
Not so fast. Didn't we already establish there might be other monkeys who type the same plays? They might be the chosen one, not me.
But you have to be. That would bring a little meaning to my life.
What? How would me being the chosen one give you meaning?
I'm nothing special. The only thing special about me is that I'm friends with someone who's truly special. And even if you're not the chosen one, I'm just glad I had the chance to read this stuff. And I'm glad I had the honor to sit next to somebody so special.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. So you gonna call?
Do you think I should be the one to call?
You know more about the plays than I do. I couldn't care less.
Okay, I'll do it. Hello? Is this William Shakespeare? He's in a meeting. Is it important? I don't know. I'm a monkey. Yes, I'm in a room full of monkeys with typewriters. No, I didn't write Shakespeare's plays, but the monkey next to me did. What's his number? What's your monkey number?
I don't know.
We don't know. Look on the bottom of your phone. Okay, it's 213-153-1428-575-123. You don't even repeat that, do you? Okay. What's that? Yes, he's written Hamlet. Yes, and Othello. I think he's gotten those done too. Okay, hang on. What are you working on now? Henry V. I. Part I. Oh, right, yes. Henry VI. Part 3. What? Have you read Richard III yet? I don't know! That would be Richard I. Okay, hang on. No, I don't see it anywhere. Okay, what? You will? Hold on. She said that William Shakespeare will pick up the plays when you're done with Richard III. Wait, does that mean that this is what we're all here for? This room full of infinite monkeys, and my friend is the one who wrote all the plays. No, ma'am, I'm fine. It's just a lot to take in. Yes, of course I'll call when he's done. Yes, I did read them. They're very good. Will do. And thank you. Thank you so much.
So it's true?
Looks like you're the chosen one.
And this guy, Shakespeare, is coming here to get what I've been typing?
Once you finish Richard III.
How am I gonna do that?
Just keep doing what you've been doing. Just hit the keys. You're the one. It doesn't matter what you do. Just keep hitting the keys.
I guess so. Can you read to me while I type?
Sure. Do you really like me reading to you?
Yeah, I do. It's fun to hear about these crazy humans.
All right, let's see. Here we go. 2 Gentlemen of Verona.
Hey, I just thought of something.
What?
called. No one else did.
But anyone could have called.
But they didn't. You did. That makes you the only monkey out of infinite monkeys who called. If it weren't for you, some other monkeys' plays would be the right ones. They're not. They're mine, ours. You are the most important monkey here. You're one out of infinity, unique and special.
I can't be.
Think about it. Do you know of any monkey who knows what speed dial is, let alone how to use a phone? You can read. I can't do that. I just tip and type. And when you read, it makes sense. Otherwise, you wouldn't have made such a big deal about it. You would have just gone back to typing, but you didn't.
But if I had gone back to typing and just not read the play,
Then nothing would have happened, and you wouldn't be special. If you hadn't seen the beauty in these lines, if you hadn't obsessed about their meaning, if you hadn't made that call. But you used the human thing. What do you call it?
free will?
The power to be significant is your choice, not mine.
I just needed answers.
I guess that's the difference between you and the other monkeys. That's why you're the chosen one and not them, and definitely not me. You're the only one who got Shakespeare's plays. You chose to be the most important monkey here. Maybe the most important monkey ever.
Wow, so my actions are what made me special, and now I'm the most important monkey in the world? And I made myself that. I hope this doesn't make you feel any different about me.
Of course not. I'm still your friend, and I'm glad I've had the honor to sit next to someone so special. Come on, I gotta finish this play I'm working on so I can get to Richard III. I wonder what Richard III is all about.
I don't know. I bet it's a comedy. Okay.